Hello guys, today we will learn how to make an animation blueprint within 10 minutes and just make a one blueprint commands for our dash character. This is pretty much easy and perfect, and new in this new update 5.7 we can make animation blueprint easier and is don't waste your time to making animation blueprint. This is perfect. You can see our character move perfectly and jump perfectly, land perfectly. So let's begin. First of all, we have to make sure something in our project settings. We are just go to our plugins and go to dash to Unreal Engine settings and make this two function show FBX input dialog is enable and also zero root rotation on input enable. Others function must be disabled because I face some issue when I enable this kind of function. Okay, so now we are head back to our dash. We are selecting our illa character here, and today we are exporting this character. This character is good, and we are just go to our file, go to dash to Unreal Engine, and for this tutorial purpose I don't need to export the morph. I'm just showing you how to make a animation blueprint easy by one click. So we are exporting this character. This will take some times. Yes, we are exporting. Now we head back to Unreal Engine. Okay, we are selecting our previous dash character Dia for the reference and just import all. If you learn how to perfectly export a dash character, I have a details video for it. Watch my previous video in my channel. And you can see our character is export now. Let's head back to our character. You can see our character is here. Okay, so for the animation blueprint we need a retargeter. So we just right click to our skeleton mesh, create a IK retargeter and select SKM Queen Simple. And you can see for the latest update 5.7 is pretty easy for dash model. In the previous version of Unreal Engine, we faced some issue for dash model to retargeting the animation, but now is solved. You can see our uh, animation retargeter is more accurate now. You can see we don't need to fix the bone, we don't need to align, it's too easy. Okay, and you can see our character is perfectly aligned to our simple queen simple many, and we just hit this thing same. We just press save, and you can see we have now two options: smk queen simple xyz illa ik, and we also get a ik re. And now for the animation blueprint we have to go to our third person here, and you can see this is our character. Okay, so we just open our default character here, and you can see we have a anim class here, abp unnamed. Okay, so we need to make a animation blueprint for our character. So we head back to dash and go to our illa character, and we just right click and create anim blueprint and rename it abp. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I'm not the correct with these things. I don't need it. Uh, okay. here. I just create a anim blueprint. You can see I select the reference model to our dia model, so this anim blueprint will be dragged into the dia model. So this is not the problem, simple. We just drag here to our illa, move it to here, and in this anim blueprint we just head back here, and we are just need a one blueprint command. Just drag it here and type retarget post from mesh, and you can see we have a command node here, and we select a retargeter here. So for the ikey retargeter asset, we select the retargeter we create now agent here, skm queen simple illa ikey retargeter. Select this and compile it. You can see there is no issue. So now we head back to our third person blueprints here. I make it easy. We just copy it, Control D, and rename it BP, and open it here. And for the mesh component, we just add a skeleton mesh, name it illa, and here we select our character. Here is the XYZ illa. Select this character here, and you can see there is no animation here, so we are just add our animation blueprint we make now, and you can see it's work properly. And for the mesh of our queen mesh, we just go to visibility, and here we just untick the visibility here, and always select always tick pose and refresh bone, otherwise your animation blueprint is not work. And you can see this is perfect. And for the demonstration, I just make closer our camera, compile, and now the final things, go to the world settings, and here you can see there is a default pawn class. We select our bpl, and now we are hit play our game, and you can see our character is perfect, guys. Now animation retargeting is pretty much easy in 5.7. You can see we're make a perfect animation blueprint for our character, Daz character especially. So if you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel, because 90% of people of my channels don't subscribe my channels. Please subscribe and give me support. Okay, goodbye.